we've taken trees for granted and cleared nearly half of our planet's forests. Luckily, forests have an extraordinary ability to recover. We just need to give trees the opportunity to draw on their natural resilience. As we become more efficient farmers and adopt healthier diets, we'll free up land for our forests to return, to rewild. Also, we can build a future where our cities will be filled with trees. This will make us all healthier and happier. That's the magic of trees. And when you're in a forest, you can feel it. Go on, breathe.